All right, markets closing on the highs of their day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average posting a gain of 225 points. Deborah Kostroun is at the NYSE to break down the numbers. Deborah, what are the traders saying about this rally? Does it continue?
Well, you know, if this rally is going to continue, one of the things that traders are really kind of looking at, they are saying at least today, we weren't focused on the negative aspects of BP or the oil spill or the ramifications of the debt crisis in Europe. And that could all come back tomorrow. So we'll have to wait and see. But the one thing, at least today, that traders were focused on, that was all the economic reports that showed that the economy is getting better. First, we saw those home sales for April rising 6%. That was better than expected. That helped out the home builders and helped those to rally. Also, Bank of America is saying that they see some hopeful signs for loan demand. They said loan demand is stabilizing, and that bodes well for the economy. Bank of America said it did not have a huge direct exposure to Europe, so that also helping out Bank of America. And traders do say we are in a little bit of an oversold market. The fundamentals are improving, notwithstanding some of these problems with the banking system in Europe, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, we know that, energy stocks, worst performers in the S&P since April 20th when the rig in the Gulf of Mexico exploded. But today, a very different story for energy shares.
It was, because you know what we did see, we saw a lot of buying in those beaten down shares. BP, of course, still a major story. The shares were able to overcome yesterday's 13% slide. Credit Suisse saying that oil spill could cost BP $37 billion in cleanup and claims. A lot of talk about BP in today's session, but we did see BP actually rising on the day. Also, oil field service companies like Halliburton and Schlumberger also performing well, rising after being named short-term buys by Morgan Stanley. So that whole energy group was sharply higher. Back to you, Pimm.
All right. Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the NYSE.